My vision improved after 70 years of age, thanks to this. Remember, all people are not the same. It is possible that this home remedy will serve you, and it may not work for you. There is no magic or miracles in health, do not forget. There is nature and the desire to do things well. If you have doubts about what you do, consult your doctor. We will not be responsible for what might happen. The aloe vera plant is well known worldwide for its many medicinal properties. What few know is that this plant also serves to make us recover the vision. According to the Russian ophthalmologist Vladimir Petrovich, aloe vera is wonderful for this purpose. In many of his corneal transplants he could notice that some substance in this plant improves vision. In this video we tell you what it is all about and how to prepare this juice pulls out lenses. According to their studies, the eye has a tissue known as biostimulin or simply stimulins. It is responsible for regenerating and healing the tissues of the eyeball of the constant mistreatment we give. Over the years, this tissue may stop working, so we begin to lose sight. It is here that the properties of aloe, rich in substance that promote the functioning of this tissue, come into play. Aloe remedy to improve vision. What we will need: aloe, several large hairs, minced walnuts, 500 grams, pure honey, 300 milliliters, lemons, 4 units. Preparation and use: 1. The preparation of this remedy will begin long before it can be ready. We will have to cut several pieces of aloe vera and wash them thoroughly. Now, we put them in the refrigerator for 10 days to concentrate the stimulin needed to improve vision. 2. After these 10 days, we remove the aloe leaves and wash them again. Next, we remove all the pulleys from the edges and peel them. Now, we will extract all the gel from the glass by rubbing a double gauze. Then we will squeeze the gauze into a glass container. Finally, pour the gel into a blender and mix with the other ingredients and serve. 3. This juice should be taken 3 times a day, 30 minutes before each meal. This routine will follow for as long as we consider necessary or recover the vision. Of course, after a month of constant consumption, we must rest 2 weeks before restarting the treatment. Do not wait any longer and start drinking this fabulous aloe vera juice today. Soon after starting to take it, you will notice how your eyesight will improve, depending on how much damage you have. If it seems a good treatment, share it on your social networks with all your friends.